Once upon a time, in a cozy little town, there lived a 10-year-old girl named Lily. Lily loved to bake more than anything else in the world. From cookies to cakes, she could whip up delicious treats with ease. Every Saturday morning, Lily would wake up early and head to the kitchen. She would put on her apron and gather all the ingredients she needed for her latest baking adventure. With flour on her nose and a smile on her face, Lily would mix and stir, following her favorite recipes with precision. She loved the way the kitchen filled with the sweet aroma of freshly baked cookies. Lily's family and friends were always delighted to taste her creations. They would gather around the kitchen table, eagerly awaiting the moment when they could sample her delicious treats. One day, Lily decided to enter a baking contest at the town fair. She spent weeks perfecting her recipe for chocolate chip cookies, adding a special twist of her own. When the day of the contest arrived, Lily nervously presented her cookies to the judges. To her delight, they were impressed by her skill and creativity. Lily's cookies won first prize, and she was overjoyed. From that day on, she became known as the best baker in town, and people lined up to taste her scrumptious creations. But more than the prizes and accolades, Lily cherished the joy she brought to others through her baking, and she continued to bake with love and passion, filling the hearts and tummies of everyone around her with happiness.